Hi everyone. I am on my way to take this in for an oil change. Still waiting for FedEx to show up with that sectional. They're not going to deliver all of it. They're going to deliver part of it today and then part of it supposedly tomorrow. I did get the backup camera working on this, but I'm going to try to maybe tomorrow sometime. Maybe even later tonight, is hook up the battery charger, because I know it's going to have the battery replaced, but I can try to recondition the battery and maybe that'll help a little bit. My appointment's at 9:30 and it's 8:35 now, so I'm getting there. So it's going to take at least 20-25 minutes to get there. So and I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.